If I can make things different, if I could change everything from the beginning.